Oh hey, today I finally finished welding up the top. Tag along. So this is just going to be a pretty quick video here. I got this side welded in, and just much like the other side, I'll put a link up above that shows you the video from the other side. I basically copied exactly what I did over there. Just put the sliver in, I used a tiny piece of TIG rod in here, welded all the rest of this up, and I've just quickly ground this down and tried to, here I had to grind down a little bit smoother because I wanted to shape this a little bit better before I finish weld the whole thing. Anyways, I've got it where it is. It's not finished, hammered, or any of that kind of stuff. It just is what it is, because the next step, what I'm gonna do is bolt the front clip back together. I had this one side off. I'll scuff the car down and just shoot it with a quick primer. Now I'm not going to shoot everything. All I'm going to shoot is the bare metal spots. I'm going to try to leave, I'll show you, it's got some really cool pinstriping throughout this car. So I'm going to try to leave most of the pinstriping. So I'll just cover this thing up, make it all look black. I may, if I get ambitious, bolt some of the trim back on, but we'll see how that goes for that. So let me show you some of the stuff on this car. So there's my patch that I did. So again, it went up to about here. Then from here to here is about TIG rod, and then the rest of this was pretty much just stitching it all together. So anyways, I will just, from here, I'm literally just going to scuff the car, clean it up, scuff the car, and then spray it with black primer. So what I want to do is try to preserve some of this really cool old pinstriping. Now this one unfortunately has a big dent in it, so that's definitely going to go. I mean, the car will be painted eventually, but yeah, I'm going to try and save a lot of this cool funky pinstriping for now anyways. So when I go and fog in the primer, I am going to try and get these sort of yellowy spots, but what I'll do is I'll try and mask around some of that other stuff. But I just want the car to be, as for the most part, one solid color. I mean, even look around the antenna, they did that, so that's pretty cool. I finally filled in that spot, which I didn't do before. So basically, yeah, I'll just have to get that fender bolted back on, get this front lip area here bolted up. I'll put the hood back on. So once I get that done, I may go around and try to bolt some of the trim on this after I get it painted up, and maybe even throw the back bumper on, because then you'll really be able to tell how low the car actually is with the back bumper on. So that's the plan, real short one. Like I said, this car is going to the jam up, which will be in 5 days. Today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, so Friday, this car is going to the jam up. So I'm just trying to get this to the point where I can shoot some primer on it. So hopefully tomorrow, that's what I'll be doing. So, hey, thanks for tagging along in this. There's going to be obviously lots more videos on the Mercury, lots more videos on all my other projects. So hit that subscribe button, smash the like, follow along, give me some comments, tell me what you think, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.